Hi, I am Ervin J. L. Umali. So, from utilitarianism case, there's a one ventilators left, and we were going to give it to a doctor who was 75 years old and saved so many lives, or to a 25 years old individual who has a longer life ahead. For me, I will give it to a 25 years old man because in this case, I want to maximize the overall happiness and lessen suffering by preserving a potential for having a longer and healthier life. For virtue ethics, there's a athlete who has offered a lucrative sponsorship deal with a company, but the company was known for having a unethical labor practices. For me, I suggest that the athlete should not accept the deal and prioritize his having a moral and integrity because there's another way to earn money in a legal, honest, and practical way.